YouTube channel. It's J.Lashae, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my go-to butt workout. I told y'all I had some in store, so yeah, let's get into this workout.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, y'all, so we at the photo shoot.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you?
Y'all for rocking out with me with this booty routine. I'm sure y'all feel the burn, cause baby, I feels the burn. But yeah, make sure you do this routine at least 3 or 5 times out the week, and I tell you, your butt will be get it right, get it right, get it tight, get it right. But yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned for more videos. I will be back at you with more. Peace.